HobbyWing with Orlowski and Hagberg success at 112 scale Euros. Boots in Italy success with SWorkz. Orlowski won 112 scale Euros in stock category with Schumacher. Agama N1 starting to getting popular and winning in the UK. Le Maire HB Racing 6MIK French success. Ben Mohamed X-Ray French success. Pattison wins with SWorkz at an event in the UK. Gomez on the podium at Guarda Portugal. First place Figueiredo, second place Monteiro. Becquerel with Nova Engines success in Spain. This is the new Picco engine, 9-port, 1/8 scale on-road powerhouse. 6MIK presents Wasabi and Axium 1/8 buggy Astro tires.